Hello guys, yes, welcome to my channel. In this short video, I want to show you how to create a WhatsApp spam chatbot using Python. Hello guys, today we'll be creating a WhatsApp spam bot. The first thing is to download PyCharm IDE, which is just like a Python interpreter. Then once the download process is complete, you'll have to select the location where you have to save that PyCharm. And then let's create a new project. In the Windows, be patient. Then select this code, the script, and then now open a terminal. Then from here, you will have to install pyautogui or Python the GUI. Once the installation is complete, we'll now have to import pyautogui or Python the GUI. We'll set time to 5 seconds for the process to be complete, but you can decide to set time to be 10 seconds or 3 seconds, depending on your choice. Then after that, we'll have to use a beemovie script. Now go back to your web browser, then search beemovie, and then we'll have to copy all the script, the beemovie. Let's copy the all of it. It is too long. Just be patient until you select it all and then click copy. Select copy and then create a new file. Just a new file. Name it. You give it a new name that you can easily remember. Now let's write some code. We are done. Now let's run it, then open our WhatsApp wall. There you go. You're now seeing it is working. See now how it responds to these charts. It means that it is absolutely and perfectly working. This is the magic that a chatbot can do. And a chatbot is a computer program that simulates and processes human conversation. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, comment.